Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, we're back with another song from Linkin Park and their song In the End. So, can't get too much of Linkin Park, they're still fresh after all those years. So, yeah, let's go. First off, we need to have our capo set here on the 6th fret to match up the sound. And we have 4 chords we need to know. So, let's start with those. First off, the A minor, like this. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That's the A minor. Then we move on to the G chord. So it's the third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And we need to grab this F chord like this. You bar the first fret, all strings, and then you put your fingers here on the 3rd fret A string, 3rd fret D, and 2nd G. And finally we have this C chord here, which is the 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So those 4 chords, and we have this intro here going on, and this is also the outro, how the song ends. So we're gonna look at this first, and it's based upon these 4 chords. 3 chords only: A minor, G, F, and back to G again. So we're gonna divide it into each chord. So first off, you need to hold here on the 2nd fret of the D string. And you play this together with the open A. So like this, open A and 2nd D together, and then 2 D and 3rd A. So that's the part that belongs to the A minor. So one more time. Sorry. And then we go to the part that belongs to the G chord. You hold this grip like this, 3rd on the E and 2nd on the A. And you play those together. And then 2 on the A. And then you play a 3rd on A, and you go to the 3rd on the A again. So let's start there again. So from the G chord here, you hold the 2nd fret on the A string and 3rd fret on the E string. You play those together, and then 2 times on the A string, and on the 3rd time you play like this. So from this 2nd here fret on A string to the 3rd fret of A string, and then you go to the notes here that belongs to the F chord, and then you need to hold your finger here on the 1st fret E string. You play that one together with the open A like this, and then 2nd on the D string 2 times, and then 1 time 3rd on A. So one more time. 1st on E and together with the open A, and then 2 times on the 2nd D string, and 1 time on the 3rd A string. And then we go back again to the G chord. So back to this grip, 3rd on E, 2nd on A, and then 2 times on A string, and on the 3rd time, 1 more time. So from 2nd fret to 3rd fret on A string. So that's the intro here. So if we play that slowly, we'll be able to follow, and then I'm gonna show you how to play it in a standard tempo. So So that's one round, and it will sound like this. So in the song here, you're gonna play it 2 times, almost, because on this second time you finish off with only this grip on the last G chord. So it will sound like this fully in the intro. And then he starts to sing. He starts with one thing and so on, the verse here. So that's the part for the intro. And it's almost the same there in the outro, which I'm gonna come back to later. But now the verse and the chord progression, it will be the same here as in the intro. And that means the A minor, to G, to F, and back to G. And here it's, kind of 4 verses. And how do we play this one? The strumming pattern will be down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. And I like to play here the first downs more on the bass strings, and the third down and down up more on these top strings down here. So down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So you play this strumming pattern 2 times for each chord. So 2 A minors, 2 Gs, 2 Fs, and 2 Gs again. So there are 4 verses, so 4 A minor, G, F, and Gs. And then we are at the chorus here. So the chorus changed a little bit. The chord progression will be A minor to C, to G, and to F. And you will play that 2 times. So A minor, C, G, F, A minor, C, G, F. And the strumming pattern changes a little bit here because it adds up in tension, so to speak. So it gets more intense here. So the strumming pattern will be the first part will be the same as we play in the verse. So down, 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 up. So, and the second part will be down, up, down, 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 up. So down, up, down, 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 up. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. And here on the second part here where it's down, up, down, 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 up. On the first down, up, down, I like to play more on the bass here as well, and then I answer with this down, down, up with the top string. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. You play one of these strumming pattern for each chord. So A minor, C, G, and F. And one more time. and then we're back at the verse. So the verse goes on there 4 more times, and then will be one chorus again in the same way. And then we come to this part, kind of a bridge here, where he starts to sing, "I put my trust in you." And the chord progression here is the same here, A minor, G, F, and G, as in the verse. So you'll play it 2 times with the strumming pattern the same as in the verse. So down, 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 up. So, and you play it 2 times for each chord as well. So exactly in the same way as in the verses. And so on. And in the second, after this second time here, you will go on with the bridge. But here it adds up intention as in the chorus, and it also changes. So you play the exact way as you play the chorus, and even the same chords. So the chords changes here. So he starts to sing here, "I put my trust in you" again, but it changed to A minor, to C, to G, and to F. And you play the same strumming pattern as in the chorus. Put my trust in you. And then one chorus, and then comes this outro, and this is played in the same way as in the intro. You play 2 rounds of this. And when you come here, you're just gonna end off with this one. It sounds like this. And it's based on one A minor, and it's played like this. You play the open A, the third A, the second D, second G, open B, first B, and finally open B again. So when you come to this, and that ends up this song called "In the End." So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and if you did, please thumb up, be a subscriber, be a part of this family and journey, and most of all, don't forget to play tuned.